All right, the last one here involves the, it's a little complicated. You got a bunch of little segments. But essentially what they say is B is the midpoint of AC and D is the midpoint of CE. So we know they're going to cut these two in half. In other words, we already know that these two are the same and these two are the same. But if we already know that AB is congruent to DE, then we know that actually, in fact, AB and DE are the same. So in fact, we could just put one line. But if these two are the same, then all four have to be equal. Now we got to write that out in a proof. So here's how it looks. I'm going to show you the reasons here. And they gave me that it's a midpoint, another midpoint, and these are congruent. Let's do the automatics that come with this. The first one here is that AB is equal to BC. And similarly, I'm going to say here that DE is equal to CD. And this is the definition of midpoint. In other words, what I've done here is I've just shown here that because this is the midpoint, AB and BC are equal, and DE and CD are equal as well. Using this point here, we can also say that AB is equal to DE. And this is the definition of congruence. Now we have to start thinking. And what are we going to do here? Well, I know that this whole segment AE is made up of, if I look at AE is 4AB, well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 segments. Let's write them all down. And we're going to get here that AE is equal to AB plus BC plus CD and plus DE. And this is from the segment addition postulate. All right, so now we know this. Let's see if we can do some substituting here. We know that instead of DE, I can write AB. So that one I can call AB. Anything else I can substitute? Well, I know that AB is also equal to BC, so that one I could call AB. Now this last one, CD, notice that it's equal to DE, but DE is equal to AB. So I could do like a double substitution. Now I don't want to do that all in one step. So what I'm going to write down is I'm going to write AE is equal to AB plus AB plus, instead of CD, I'm going to write DE, and then plus AB. And that's going to be because of a substitution property of equality. The last thing I can do is substitute the final AB in for DE, in which case I could write here that AE is equal to 4AB, which is basically all of them added up, which is exactly what they wanted me to prove. And that's going to be another substitution property of equality. And we're finished.